When you look into getting your carpets cleaned, you'll probably be thinking, well, what happens to my furniture? If you've got furniture in your rooms, well, what do you do with it? And that's a good question because if your room or rooms are full of furniture, what happens when it comes time to clean the carpets? While some people, they only want the main areas of a carpet cleaned and no furniture needs to be moved, most people want to clean the whole carpet. Many carpet cleaners will insist that you empty the room or all the rooms before they arrive. Of course, this may not be possible. Where do you put it? What if you're having every room cleaned? What if the furniture is too heavy or too delicate to move? Well, it's a good idea to decide exactly what furniture you want moved before the cleaning day. I always advise having the carpet cleaner come by to see what you want to do. They can discuss with you what furniture you want moved, where you'd like it put, and how to move it. That way, everyone knows what's going to happen. Now, a good carpet cleaner will use furniture sliders like these to move your furniture safely before cleaning your carpet, and then will replace protective coasters like these under your furniture after replacing it. This is for your protection, and any decent carpet cleaner will use these, so please insist. Most carpet cleaning insurers insist carpet cleaners must not move electronics, fish tanks, pianos, and items that are breakable, such as glassware. They can't move any item that may cause an injury or damage. Happily, most normal items, such as tables, chairs, and sofas, are easy to move, and your carpet cleaner should be happy to do it for you if you wish. Whoever you choose to have to clean your carpets, make sure to get in writing in advance what will happen to your furniture at cleaning time. You'll have a happier cleaning experience if you do this. I hope this has helped.